everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have Kevin here and he is going to be showing me a house that he purchased that I know nothing about and I've never seen it. I don't really know anything about it. He's done this to me in the past. He's a good judge of house character, but yeah, so we're going to have my initial reaction to my husband buying a house without me knowing and me seeing it for the first time. So
it closes tomorrow.
Wow.
And oh no, today's Saturday, so it closes Monday. And the seller already has our non-refundable 30 grand, so you better like it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm sure I'll love it.
No pressure.
Yeah. Well.
And then I'm here to get another angle of your reaction.
Oh, sweet.
All right.
Oh, okay. Already we're on a cul-de-sac, so that's always a good thing. So like that.
All right, here you go.
Ooh. Okay, let's get out. Let's see it. So far, I love the colors. And with me saying that I love it, I love how ugly it is because that contributed, I'm sure, to the wedge potential. Let's go in and see. All right, so before we get inside, we have a not at all manicured lawn, which again, awesome wedge potential. This is ugly. I like ugly. I like the ugliness of this. That makes me happy. All right, Kevin.
Yeah, what do you think about that? I do want to ask you a few things if you don't mind. What do you think about this little like brick and wood thing here?
I would get rid of it.
And what about this over here? Because this has like, you know, it's cracky. I mean, it's a big thing, but there's a lot of stuff going on with this.
It might be worth it to just get rid of all of that and then just mulch it and do the drought tolerant plants that we do.
Or some rocks or something.
Yeah.
Like that. Anything but that is what you're saying.
Uh-huh.
All right. Okay, well, I've unlocked the door for you.
Okay.
So I'm ready for your reaction.
Okay, I'm ready for my reaction too. Let's go.
Oh, here, let me go in first.
Okay.
And then I can get your reaction.
Okay.
As you come in.
All right. Ooh. No flooring. That's crazy.
I may have gotten rid of that.
Oh, okay, okay. I was going to say that's kind of cool if there was no flooring. That's interesting. This wood accent paneling.
Did you get rid of that?
Yeah, I would.
Really?
Yeah, I don't think painting it could do a good enough job. Whoa, okay. You could keep the cabinets here. We got some nice wood and some nice rooster knobs here. And you could totally keep the countertop and reglaze it white. Same with the sink, you could keep.
I may have just told them that I was getting rid of the countertop.
Oh, okay.
Given.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's true. You could have kept it though, why didn't you?
Well, I was just thinking we were gonna go with the quartz, but you're right. I guess I could have.
That could have been a keeping potential.
I could have saved some money. You're right, we could have glazed this.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
We've glazed these before.
Totally, and then you could have done the same gray cabinets.
Oh, now you need the house.
No, I so far really like it. This is kind of interesting that the pantry is on like the outside of the kitchen technically, but that's fun. I wonder what's behind. Oh, because the fridge is supposed to be here. That's a little weird. Yeah, I like it.
Back there?
Sure. I like it. Scrape the ceilings. New light fixtures. This is a nice backyard. I like that. This is really nice. I think it's really good so far. Pretty impressed. Let's keep going. And you could actually keep these doors. Keep the doors too.
For what?
Well, no, not those specifically. You could actually get rid of those doors, sorry. But it looks like from the door's quality that it's good enough to keep instead of replacing.
Okay, yeah, because I was thinking of getting rid of those.
Yeah, sorry, that was misplaced. Get rid of these doors, but I'm saying
Throughout the rest of the property.
throughout the rest of the house, if they're that good of quality, I would keep them like that. That's totally fine. These cabinets, totally fine with this kind of like wallpaper-ish lining.
We'd scrape that off.
Yeah, take that out. Ooh, we got a girl room here. Nice size closet. Oh, actually, no, that's deceptive. Okay, that's not part of the closet.
Oh, I think that's where I want to stand the water heater or something like that. But you're right, it does look like that's a closet.
Okay.
That's weird.
These doors do probably need replaced. Maybe not, but they
The
seem
issue with these doors, because I don't like the trim on them,
Yeah.
is you have to box in the top because they're that length.
Oh, they're an odd
They're
length.
not the standard height anymore.
Yeah. Well, I don't
Is
know.
it worth doing that or just keep them? Like,
I think I guess in that case you could keep them and then just fix the tracking and stuff. I mean, it's dated, but I mean, if you paint it, I think it would make it good enough. All right. Ooh, look at that. That like crown molding of wallpaper.
And then look at this light right here. I think this light flips up into the attic. So it serves the hallway when you want the hallway. And when you go into the attic, you can like push it and it flicks it up into the attic. So you have an attic lamp.
That's funny.
And it also gets out of your way so you can get in the attic.
That's so funny.
I see you laughing real hard.
I'm like dying laughing. Okay, so I think this was like a lot of people that like pink. Every room is pink.
Pink or peach.
Yeah, peach or... Whoa, this is crazy. Like
This is the boys' room.
in person, actually, it makes me feel weirder than it is because this like reflection of this blue and then the blue glossy paint that you can't really tell so much. And then the blue tiling that's kind of bluish, also like not blue. I don't know what's going on here. They tried to incorporate blue.
I think they tried glazing it.
But yeah,
They tried glazing it blue.
they just really love blue and peach and pink in this house. But this is awesome. I honestly have no issues with
Did you
it.
see the walk-in closet?
Oh, I missed that. No, let's see that. Nice. That's awesome. You know, this video idea, I had watched another YouTuber woman that her husband did the same thing where the husband purchased a fixer and it was ugly and all this stuff, and then it was the same thing where she reacted for the first time. I really like this woman, I really respect her, but I felt so sad because she was so sad when she first walked through the house. She literally started crying because it smelled bad and it was ugly and all that scared her, which I totally get because it's new territory and you don't know what to expect and how much money you could be in the hole with, you know, but it's something that shouldn't scare you if you have enough of a buffering. So I don't know anything about the price. Let's talk about the price because that's good lead into it. What was the sales price, Kev?
Well, you gotta know what the value in the neighborhood is first.
Okay, tell me the value.
So, value in the neighborhood, probably if this were flip grade, would be like $725. If this is rental grade, I would say somewhere around an easy $690, $699, right around there. I think I'm comfortable there. So flip grade, you know, would be about 30 to 40K more, but I don't want to spend that much money on renovating it. So rental grade, I'm comfortable about $690 on this.
$690 rental grade if we were to fix it up. And now how much do I think you spent? Oh gosh, this is always like, I don't know why I get stressed about guessing because like I'm usually wrong because like, I don't know, I feel like you get better deals and I guess too.
And now you're gonna make me look bad.
Okay, so you said $699 if it were like rental grade.
Yeah, $690 to $699. And then I'm guessing it needs about 40K worth of work. So into it for about $650 to $660.
Okay, I think you got it for $575.
$559.
Woo, that's so cool. I love hearing that.
That puts us right at about 100K of value after all the work.
That's awesome. And that is the thing to remember when you're doing this. If you have those comparables on the market and you see that, you know, with a certain level of it being fixed up or whatever, that it's X amount and you're getting that much of a buffer, and then you know how much things are going to cost to renovate, the ugliness and distressedness of the whole house shouldn't scare you. It shouldn't make you upset. It should be like, instead of the lady on the YouTube video being like sad with like tears of sadness, she should be like tears of happiness and maybe like some tears because she said it smelled really bad and it started watering or whatever, but not tears of sadness. I really like this. I'm always excited to see a new project and I just can't wait to see how it turns out and we'll show you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you next time.